Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Not gonna tell you what it is, but you'll just kind of see it when I open it. So, this came from Washington, and I live in Georgia, so it's been all the way across America. It's pretty great. That's the only protection that it has. It's not really. Ooh, snowman. The box is in actually really good shape. Oh god. Okay. So the box is actually in pretty decent shape. This is made in 2008. What side is it on? Yeah, 2008. It's right there. Don't know if you can see it, but it's from 2008. This is the design. The 2009 variant is more rare, but this was only like $32, so I couldn't pass it up. And it has definitely been used. These are what they used for tethers, I guess. Where are my scissors so I can cut these off? Because they tied on there. Now, I believe 2008 is the year Gemmy really started cheaping out. Because these have the normal nowadays, but back then they used to have the metal, but they have the tether loops that are plastic fabric. Ooh, I will be using these. Those are camping stakes. Those aren't normal stakes. Okay, there's the box. Like I said, actually in pretty good shape. The reason this was so cheap is because it had the tiniest little hole in it that they repaired, and I was like, oh, that's fine. I hate these older fans. This looks like new though. It's shiny, and at least back then they still had the metal zippers. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Yeah, and it has one of those SJD81, so pretty neat fan. None of the lights work. Let's hope that means I can just replace them. The fabric does feel kind of soft, like it's this hat feels thin, very thin, but I don't know. Oh, he's big. Look how big his head is. Good God. Yeah, he's very large. Oh, wow. He was inflated in the photo, so I do know he inflates, but I don't know if he inflates good. I always put a YEF60 in him, but that hat might be worn out. Fan get some air. He is very, very large. I mean, his bottom snowball is quite big. Fixes on it. Oh wow! Look at him. Okay. He inflates very well. He's definitely getting close to starting to thin out. His candy can came unstitched. Oh, I love him now. He's just a classic Gemmy design. And I mean, just look how big that damn snowball is. Let me turn my camera around. Very, very happy with this purchase. And I mean, good Lord. He's so wide, and his head is just a big old ball. Now, the thing is, he is soft, but there's no air coming out of him. So he might die on me in a few years. There's a hole there. Or he might last a long time. Just a little stain there. But, I mean, even the rim of his hat inflates really good. So, yeah. What I think I'm going to do next is take you guys along with me, and we'll replace the lights in it so we can see how he looks with lights. Now, for how weak that fan is, he actually inflates very good. So if I gave him a 60, I feel like he'd be a little too tight, and it would stretch the stitching out. So I think I'll keep him with the fan he has until he starts to get a little worn out. But yeah, he's definitely good for now. Oh, and I didn't even notice it. That's how small this hole is. Oh, you know what? That's not even the hole. That's the stitching mark from where the candy cane came off. So he doesn't even have a hole. I'm not sure what they were talking about. But this is where the stitching was for the candy cane to be held up. So I'm gonna have to restitch that. But yeah, okay, let's get to replacing the lights. Oh goodness, okay, whatever. Here's this fan, a tiny little thing. My hand is bigger than it. I mean, that's probably an inch thick. So definitely a very weak fan, but let's go ahead and see how many bulbs he has. I'm guessing probably 4 for a snowman in this time period. I don't think he'll have more than 4. Yep, 4. And yes, all of them are burnt out. You can see the burnt out bulbs. So I'm gonna replace these and get back to you. Okay, so we've got all the bulbs replaced, and so far, no, oh, shit. Luckily, I stepped on that with my pants and not my bare feet. I got thick skin anyway, so I don't really care. No, this isn't worn. It's just everything's soft. It's not see-through. It's not seeping light yet. Oh, that's gonna go out. Just replaced it, god damn it. I hate when that happens, because the light bulb covers on these suck. I hate the newer light bulb covers a lot. I like the ones that have the little strap on it. I think that's what the newer ones are like. I don't know. I haven't bought a brand new inflatable in a long time. Most of my stuff is used. Well, the string on the side of his head definitely popped off because I gotta replace that. Or replace it, but retie it. And yeah, that'll probably lift up those two. But the lights do work, so thank God. Alright, I hope you guys liked and subscribed this video. And yeah, doodles.